body as my arms. So, it was time to come back to the Misty Mountain. I went to Ojo first. I needed a new pickaxe. He had many. I was ready to mine and was ready to get some rewards. So I had to check the vault anyway. Those minerals wouldn't be enough. I needed to talk to the wisest in the village. No, I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about the Great Steel Raids. I remember that day. Oh, Great Steel Raids, it's an honor to be in your presence. I would lend your wisdom to find the legendary hammer. I need something more powerful. Oh, young miner. Many have wanted that hammer. Few have managed to wield it. It's behind that rock wall. Will you be able to yield it? You bet, old man. I mean, Great Steel Raids. It was there. I just had to take it. I was feeling like Thor. I didn't expect so much power. It was time to check the vault again. The legendary hammer had paid off. I had more rewards. Now, I just need a break. I'll think new strategies while I rest in the top of the mountain, waiting for the next seasons.
And welcome in, everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Thursday and it's a great day because we have Game Maker 0.10 out. So how are you all doing? Welcome in. We've got Wicked 2, OG Shakespeare, Ixura. Welcome. Great day indeed, isn't it? 0.10 is out. And it's a lot to take in. It's definitely a lot to take in. A lot of new stuff for us to play around. A lot of new game modes, especially Game Maker in terms of as a tool for organization now. We have folders for the logic. We can copy and paste the logic. We can export the logic into a text and import in a different experience. That is just mind-blowing. Not even to talk the updates on new components, new behaviors. Everything else that just happened is just crazy. I'll not be going through Game Maker today because I've not messed with it as much to be comfortable streaming it live, but we will go here and see what changes we have in the launcher. We know that, of course, we had our game broken as usual. With every Game Maker update, we put a very quick band-aid so it's just playable. We're going to do some reports on some stuff we already saw as bugs, but eventually it will go as any other Game Maker that will improve over time. Welcome in, Cookie Boy King. How you doing? So this is pretty exciting. So far, it's okay. Feels like the same. The walking, it does feel a little bit different. I've been told that we've got a little bit of changes. We've got the new HUD, which is pretty damn cool. I think we can personalize now the HUD with stuff and maybe some more emojis. Walking around is also different. It does feel a little bit different. The 3C movement right here. So this is pretty cool. We've got on the top masters as well. We've got on the left some different. Yeah, I like this. This is pretty cool. It's more gamified, I have to say. So let's just go over here for 1 second before we start to do everything. And pretty neat. Let's explore this together. Hitting the gym right now. Hey, Cookie Biking, work it out. Add in 45 seconds. All good. So before we get into the ads, what I want to ask you is to... By the way, we've got a new launcher, which is pretty damn dope. I cannot get it right now into the screen, but this is pretty dope, I have to say. I'm not sure what type of games they're showing here below, but this is damn awesome. news page as well. This is also very cool. Play the Sandbox, very, very cool. There's the options. Oh, repair settings, nice. Very, very nice. The menu of the profile, take a tour, nice. I see some really nice, I've got to explore a lot. There's a lot here to be seen. But if you want to join us, where is it? It should be around here. Perfect. Just copy this link and get here. Probably what you'll have to do, let me bring that on screen, which is this. It's going to get you a pop-up that says get the new Sandbox launcher. And it's really cool that now we have a launcher. I've tried to get the launcher actually on screen, but I was not able to get that on screen. But it's all good. So here, I saw there was something new. Why? I got a new tab here. Why is it not showing? Profile. How did I get there? Marketplace. Oh yeah, look at, I don't remember this being here at this place. So we got all NFTs, collection packs, avatars, equipment, passes, character, props, land, and estates. So do you guys remember these being here? I don't recall these being here. Collection packs, for example. Which is pretty dope. We should find here the Pickaxe Master collection pack as well, along with all of this. Is this organized alphabetically? It does feel like. So if we scroll enough until we reach the Pickaxe Master, it should be around here. The Pickaxe Master. Here it is. Perfect. Yeah. We can see all that stuff now. Yeah, I don't remember seeing this stuff here. This is pretty nice, and I should get somehow to update these images. This feels pretty outdated by now. Equipment. Yeah, much more organization. I like that. So, yeah, this is something to explore later. We're done. Let's get that minimized. And the link I just shared with you is to play the Misty Mountain. So for you to participate on what we're doing daily, which is the Lucky Miner sessions, all you got to do is stream your gameplay in our Discord channel. So there's a voice chat, just share your screen there, and you will be eligible to participate and win sand prizes. It's really, really simple. And we've been raided by the Tempest. Hey, thank you for the raid. Welcome in, raiders. How are you doing? Hey, Cody and hey, Lozen. Hope that you had an amazing stream. And I'm pretty sure that now we've got a lot to talk about and explore with 0.10. New mechanics, new logic, just new everything coming right for everyone, which is pretty damn cool. So also we saw that we have a new launcher. And I'm not able to stream the new launcher, but I want to get a close attention to that, which is pretty damn awesome. I like it a lot. You can get to your profile. You can get the settings of your profile as well. Application. Okay. Cool stuff. You can get the definition settings. I like the way this is going. I feel that this launcher will have a lot of improvements as well, and these will become a place where you can explore the metaverse much, much easier. So I like this stuff a lot. This is very good. We're still exploring here to see what changes we have without even changing anything. So right now what I can see is that we have a new HUD. We have new icons, the way that it's displayed on the left. Now we can put one on the top, which we have masters. We have the other ones in the bottom as well. And it feels very much more gamified than it was just with simple banners. So as usual, our game got a little bit broken. Play game for fun. Welcome in. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How about yourself? We had a little bit of troubles. As usual, our game got a little bit broken. Nothing new to see here. And we put a fast band-aid that we hope to get a much more... Oh, you just saw that teleporting animation? This is also new. Look at that. I like it. Pretty damn neat. I used it yesterday. I love the new look. Yeah. Good morning, Huddle. How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. The Yoke, J-Dog, welcome in, everyone. So this is looking pretty neat so far. So what did we get broken? Of course, we had to get something broken, and it feels like it's tied up with Oh, this is also looking very refined as well. Look at that. Did it fix the bug with small avatars to use assets? Let me try. This is usually the ones I put. No, it does not feel like. It does not feel like they have fixed this stuff. Let's try. And putting this one. Oh, it spoke too early. It spoke too early. So what is happening right now is something that we had. The collision box were not working. So I think you can see I'm trying to hit it and it does not break anything. And Vodact, welcome in. This is tied up with the collision or the pivot point. I'm not sure if it's collision boxes, pivot points, whatever. It's not working. I have to get like very close here and just break this stuff. And then actually collect it. So here I can get inside. Can I collect whatever it says here? No. But we have to go inside the rock and break it. This is not optimal. Like, this is the worst. So how could you get inside something? Look at that. Pretty damn strange. It does not feel good. But hey, it's a band-aid. At least it's working. And I think that's the most important part. Now we'll get, of course, to report this. This is not intended gameplay. I don't think that the Sandbox also wants this. We've seen a couple of bugs like with walking. We saw some avatars just sliding through stuff. And yeah, any slash and dash game, it will not work if this is a problem with all the games. So I'm pretty sure that this will get fixed anytime soon. So for now, we have to get literally inside the block and kill the block. We'll keep exploring that stuff. We got new banner coming up, looking good. It does get a much more gamified feel to it. It looks pretty nice. All the new HUD, all good. I will not be exploring right now the game maker itself, but I think there's some cool stuff. I found out the blocks you have broke, they are replaced and it cannot be broken again. J-Dog, that is a fix now, I think. Fred put another patch real quick just to solve that. So what happens is when you destroy these first blocks and we collect this, it sets out a timer with 3 minutes that will respawn the block again. Now, what we did not update was the presets regarding what was getting dropped. So it was also an easy fix to get going on. Nothing the hammer cannot solve. OG Shakespeare, you are correct. Nothing that it cannot be solved. So let's take a look. Let me see what else I can find here. Zoom out seems pretty much the same. How do we have the camera now? So camera control feels... Oh, look at that. You guys remember when we had the collision boxes, like you're going and... Yeah, this feels a little bit more natural, especially when you're going for collision boxes. In our game, that happens quite sometimes, quite a lot. So if you're just moving around the camera this fast, usually your camera would go nuts, right? Because your camera was colliding with a lot of stuff. Now it does not give you that impression. I can collide with stuff easily, see? Without being overwhelmed with stuff. I like it. Much easier. Yeah, much easier. The camera is much more stable. And that is a good update. It might get unnoticed, but we noticed that a lot. I like it because I was trying to destroy it all. I haven't gotten around to patching again yet, but you can charge attack things. Yeah, the hammer. Okay, so it's not fixed yet, but it will be soon. We have the hammer and you have the charged attack that you can do just by holding your mouse button and break it away. I see it's also taking some time to get the banner going on. We collect and the banner, it's okay. It's got like a 1 second delay or 2 second delay. When hammer mints, maybe, because we're going to do, so, sorry. I'm gonna share what we're gonna do with some stuff. It's not Wednesday, but I'll give you some beans for this. Our long-term roadmap that we already shared with you, and with the variables across, so we have a game that is to collect resources, which is very good as a starting point. So now we have a very good game just to collect resources, but it stops right there. It feels like, okay, what we do next? We can trade for masters and we have a leaderboard for masters. It's a competition. Good. Is it a final finished game? No, we need more than that. But this layer, which is the foundation layer, which is resource acquisition, it's one of the most important because it sets up the ground for the game economy. And usually games tend to need a solid game economy so that they can flourish out of it. Now, with variables being able to be saved, they're not yet, but they will, someday in the future, all these resources means that whatever you get, you'll be able to store them. And that will be pretty cool that you will be able to store those variables for you. There will be other games that we will have. For example, we have the simple crafting in here that we just wanted to test it out. And it was good that we put that test. Also, I see the rendering. Everything seems much more polished. Look at that. I don't know what's the difference, but everything seems so much more polished, I have to say. So with crafting, what we want to do is have one experience that we just use it for crafting. So one game, you're just mining. The other game, you're just crafting stuff. That you're trading, for example, it's not going to be like this one, but you're trading your resources for something. It could be so many things. I'm not going to state any example because I don't want to throw out too much beans on that, but you can get the picture. You'll just be crafting stuff, and then those crafted stuff will be putting out some mini games around it, and we have a full circle going on. So you have one or more experiences to mine and acquire resources. Then we're going to have a marketplace that's going to allow you to craft and trade resources within the other players, and we're testing out some logic as to be able to actually do in-game trading between one player and the other. That is going to be crazy cool because sometimes you could potentially not have much time, but you could be able to acquire resources from other players. And that's going to create a very interesting mechanic also for the players. There's going to be a new role called they're going to be the traders. They have time to mine, but they are going to put the resources for sale so other player can take in that buy order and they get the masters. Ultimately, it will all be the leaderboard in masters. And then from the crafted resources, we're going to use it in minigames. That will be PvP. And of course, there's going to be a good payout in masters. And from that, we have the full circle. We have games for resource acquisition. We have experiences regarding crafting and trading, and then we have the final end, which is, and now here we can go crazy, it could be anything. We have other experiences that are going to consume those craft resources, and they're going to give out a bonus in masters. And with those masters, you can buy pickaxes again, and you can mine, you can get resources, you can craft and trade those resources, you can use those crafted stuff to play other games, to have some PvP and more competition. So it's a full circle. Mining game, it's a small circle. The crafting will be also a mini game. It will be also a small circle. And then the mini games itself, they have their own loop. But in the end, all of these three components, they'll serve as a big loop. Now, why am I saying this? Because what we want to test out is to have it will be like a demo in our case. We want to test out having all of these three components, but only in one game. So we're going to use the Misty Mountain because it's very, very much advanced in terms of it. It will be then, of course, updated to the logic we're doing for Temple of the Four Winds, which is even a more advanced logic, mining logic that we have here and much more solid. To get all of these three components in one map, we just want to test it out because then we will delegate responsibilities. Experiences will be just for mining, getting resources. Other experiences will be just for trading and crafting. So we can pretty much use all the space and not overwhelm everything in one map, which you can see this map is already pretty much overwhelmed with a lot of stuff. Having that said, we're going to put a couple of mini games inside the Misty Mountain just to test that, and some crafting recipes, simple crafting recipes. We just want to test out the theory. So now, in the next months, you'll be seeing some add-ons to the Misty Mountain, which will be, you'll be mining. Then you're going to have a place that you can craft with those resources, and then you'll be able to use those crafted resources for some PvP mini games that will also give you bonuses on masters. So some players will be just like, I don't care about anything else. I'm just going to mine. I'm going to get my masters, and that's how we'll rank up in the leaderboard. Some others will see that, okay, I'll get some resources. I'm going to consume my resources to get some crafted stuff, and I'm going to do PvP with my crafted stuff because I'm also getting masses. I find this path much more fun. I'll also be ranking in the leaderboard, but I like this. Some other people will just like, yeah, you know what? I'm just going to mine a little bit. I'm going to get some masters, and I'm going to try to trade. I'm going to buy resources from other players. We'll try to get also the trading system going on and just bundle everything in here. Like have a reduced version of the Misty Mountain, so we free up some space regarding the assets, regarding pretty much what's happening in here, to be able to experiment this stuff. Because if we don't do these tests now, it will take us some time. Temple of the Four Winds, we've got the logic pretty much done, the foundation. We're going to put now extra stuff on top, which will be the mini games on it and the crafting as well. But we still have to design it, and design a map with detail like this one. It just takes months to do so. It's a lot of stuff that happens. So we're still looking at least 2 or 3 months just world building, asset designing for Temple of the Four Winds to get the map into a look like this one that feels it's a complete environment. And we don't want to have 2 or 3 months without exploring GameMaker 0.10, new stuff. We don't want to have a stale period where we're not also testing new stuff that has come out. So that's what you can expect for the next months, is for us to be improving, testing stuff in the Misty Mountain while we get ready the design of Temple of the Four Winds. Now, speaking in mining, we have a couple of rounds to do today for the lucky miners. In about 40 minutes, we're going to have a Sandbox AMA, so we'll do as many rounds as we can until we can raid the Sandbox. So let's get it started. Let me check how everyone is ready on the Discord. I can see the Yokes on you, Touchly, Warpax. Stream your gameplay, get ready, and once we have 3 players, we'll get round 1 started. What I was asking is, for everyone that was not able to play the game due to how much resources our game took to you and you were not able to log in, how you're feeling right now with GameMaker 0.10? Do you feel it's faster to load? Do you feel that it's you can connect and you don't have that much lag? I'm having a hard time connecting to the server. That is not a good sign. Touchly, have you updated to 0.10 already? When I got to load, I think it was pretty fast. It took me about 1 minute. Just right now. Okay. Can I check here the user list? Got 4. Can I get users? Oh, I can. Birdsey, Pickaxe, Massa, Wapax. Birdsey, usually you have some trouble getting into the experience. Try clear, up data, and launch again. The Misty Mountain loaded way faster for me today. That is a good sign. So Touchly, try to clear app data and launch again like GoS is suggesting. To do that, you have to go to, usually it's the C drive, users. You go to the hidden folder, which is app data. For me, Misty Mountain was much faster than normal and ran smoother. Perfect. That is good feedback. That is very good feedback. Can I get Control F9? Although I have much less frames per second. Okay, I'm streaming. I should be at 35. Oh, look at that. There's new stuff. It says video and says audio. It's great. Small things need to be fixed, but overall much better. Agree with you, Tempest. There's a little bit of things. GC, system, total. Nice. And I remember there was another command. Let me try to do some controls. Control F1. Oh, we got a control F1. Look at that. Control F1 shows you the list of keys. L, show life. O, challenges. P, season. V, change camera. What do you mean change camera? Nope, nothing happens. But is this a hint? We'll be able to go from first person to third person with the V button. So Control F1, we get this. And everything else is pretty much the same. NFT scan, map. Oh, okay. Control F2, what do you do? We got the log error. Okay. Control F3, nothing happens. Control F4, nothing happens. Control F5, nothing happens. Control F6, nothing happens. F7, nothing happens. F8, nothing happens. F9, we got that one. F10. Oh. What is this? Huh. So F10 gives you like, here you just get the frames per second. And with F10 you get like the detailed stuff, which is pretty much like an extended version of Control F9. Control F11 does not. Oh, we get a profiler. At the bottom, we got 24 frames per second CPU. So it's pretty much almost the same here. GPU, optimal, RAM 1.66 gigabytes, on and off. Okay. And Control F12, which is just F12, it's the panoramic view. Cool stuff. Performance statistics. That was already there. You don't need to do Control F12. You just press F12 and you get the panoramic view. Hey, Laser, how you doing? Welcome in. Let me check if we are ready to mine. How many players we have ready? We have 3 players ready. Okay. We are at minutes 29. So round number 1 will last until minute 45. And it's on. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. I'll be bringing you to the stream too. It should be this. Perfect. And yeah, we're ready. Let's go. "15 minutes for the first round, so let's get it going. Will it be better like this? Yeah, maybe we can just... Kind of feels more natural, no? Okay, we're good. Gold ore, yes. So today the resource will be gold ore, that we can also use that resource for... where do I have here? Okay. There is a contest in Twitter. Let me get that link for you. And the 3 players can get 10 sand each. Easily. Just by posting their screenshot. It's the Gold Ore Challenge. And just share your screenshot as a comment in this link. So we're playing right here. You can use this opportunity to also mine, participate in today's challenge in the Lucky Miner, win some sand prizes, and then also use that screenshot to participate in the weekly challenge, which right now it is gold ore until the 23rd of April. Then next week we're going to have a different resource and we have a different challenge as well. So right now, I'll do my I'll do also a chance. Let me reset the score. My time is almost up. Also, I really like the way that did you see the way that you've got the text floating? I think it's inviting you to read it. It just does not show like a big block of text right there, and actually tells you just, yeah, on your own pace, just read this text like this. Well, this was a short one. So we're going for gold ores. Let me try to do that. I like this. It invites you to read. I don't know what happens psychologically, but your brain feels like I'm not overwhelmed with information. It's just appearing as I read as well. And I think that's what was happening. When we open a dialogue, you would get these wall of text and your brain was like, I'm overwhelmed. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to skip through it. And you did not read it. This is so strange. We got a gold ore. Let's go. Can we get an emerald? Another one. A gold nugget. Let's go. This is going good. Yeah, collision boxes are very, very weird so far. Oh, shoot. Nothing in the magma block. Ah. Okay, I can see it's a little bit different jumping around. Parkour veterans gonna have a hard time to get used to this. Here we go. So far, only one block without anything. Oh, damn. The black screen just thought that I had crashed. Let's go over the pause button and what we got. We got a gold nugget. Sell gold nugget. Yes. And I have 4 gold ores. It's a good score. I'll keep this. I'll keep this, but I want to focus on what you're playing right now. So I'm going to put your bigger here, highlighting it. Here we go. Perfect. So this is the yoke that we're watching. Yeah, that just gives you a more panoramic thing about it. The transition is much, much smoother. I really like the improvements they're making. I think Sandbox is going in the right direction. We got the Bitfox here as well. Let's check how is it doing. Yeah, I want to watch the stream. Give it to me. Yeah, just look at that. Even the way that we have the HUD disappearing and appearing again, much, much more smoother. He also has 4. He's pretty much with the same score as I have. Can we start? Yes, you can. So far, what has been your favorite update about GameMaker 0.10? What's the thing that got you most excited? Personally, I cannot even tell what I got most excited, but if I had to pick one, Touchly, the app data, do you have to clear the cache? I think it's the TSB folder. So when you go to app data and you find the Sandbox or TSB Gaming, delete that folder. When you open again the Sandbox, it will create a new one, but literally that's the cache. Yes. But I was saying, if I had to pick one thing that I'm most excited about GameMaker 10, the whole folder. Yes, I believe it's the whole folder. It would be okay. Inside it, you have the Game Maker, you have Launcher, and usually we delete that folder a lot of times, so it would be okay. The one thing I'm most excited about Game Maker 0.10, I would have to say it's copy-paste on Logix. Like, from miles away of everything. Everything else is pretty crazy and pretty cool. But the one I got really excited, and I think it's the most important one, is being able to copy and paste logic. So you're able actually to copy, paste the logic in a TXT file, and then import that same logic into any other experience. I don't think it's there yet. What? Shoot. Speak too early. But that was supposedly one of the features that that we're about to get in 0.10. What? That is not there? Come on. Go as. Yes, the reward is gold. That's what we're mining today. Gold ores. I can see that the Bitfox is ready, so let's change screens to Go West. Touchly is in. Let's go. This is the Yoki screen. He is also ready. Let's watch Wapax. Why is it not changing? What? Okay, now it's changing. Now this is the Bitfox, and he is also with 0. He is with nothing. The Bitfox. Go, 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 go. You have 0 resources. Okay, let's go. Will this work? What? Did Discord also got updated with something new? So this is Go West. One thing I have to say, streaming, it does seem much more smoother for everyone. While capturing your screen, it feels much better. Hey, Vox Machina, how you doing? Welcome in. Oh, we've got some bots. Let's try to... Okay. Let's delete this stuff. Don't click on that. Okay, how do I ban this? Ban. Boom. And this one. Ban. Done. Much better. Vox Machina, welcome in. How is GameMaker 0.10 treating you? You got games 2 broken? They all working fine? Get gold ore from magma block and sometimes from stone block. That is correct. Okay, let me check how everyone is going so far. Keep on getting those gold ores. There's the stone block. There's also the magma. Okay, let me check right now. Wapax is in the vault. He is ready. But yeah, I'm curious. How do you feel about the... how do you feel right now about the new launcher? Do you feel like it's going faster? It's better? It's running more smoothly? Sucks how you cannot hit those. Yep. Go West, you cannot. You have to go inside them. Not sure if you're watching right now, but I'll write it. You have to go inside the block for now. Or use the charged attack. When there's a block on top of them. Okay. Connection error. That is strange. Still doesn't work for you. And you deleted the folder, right? And you closed and opened again the application. You already deleted the app folder, but did you close the launcher and open again? I'm going to reinstall it again. Okay, it's better to do that. Try to reinstall it while you have... Maybe you want to delete again. Let's get, in the meantime, over to the Bitfox. Yeah, this is pretty damn strange. And we have 5 minutes left for round number 1. Then we're going to do round number 2. In about 20 minutes, we're going to have the Sandbox AMA, and I think they're going to discuss all about the Builders Challenge. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see it as well. There was also a forum. I'm not sure if it's already closed, but on the Sandbox Discord server, there was a form that you could fill in to place your questions. So where was that link? I think it was on GameMaker announcements, maybe. Yes, it was. Not sure if this is still open, but if you want to place some questions to the Sandbox team, you can use this form that was posted in the Sandbox server to place your questions. You can place 3 questions there. Make sure you get or you do good use for them and fill that form. If you have anything you want to ask regarding the Build a Challenge, I don't know. I think it's mainly regarding the Build a Challenge, the AMA. Let me read that. So Panda Pops did write Build the Questions, Build this Challenge AMA questions. Got a question about the Build a Challenge? Fill this form with questions and the team will answer in the Build a Challenge AMA. So yeah, that's about it. Make sure you do fill it up. Now, coming back here, how are we doing with our lucky miners? We've got 3 minutes left. I can see Wapax is in the vault. He is ready. The Yoke is also in the vault. He is ready. Go West is trading some resources, still going for the last bits with 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes left. That's all these miners have to get their resources in. 4 gold ores, not bad. Also, I'm very curious to see how much this is affecting the RNG as well. You can do a stone block with that, not a magma. With 160, you cannot mine a magma. Nope. That will fail, I can guarantee you, with 160 pickaxe health. Better you can do is to mine a stone block, for sure. And you have just enough pickaxe health for that. I love the new teleportation. I now know that there's a couple of brand new teleportations there. Animations, I mean. Second teleport menu, you can go right there. Yes, go west. Like Fred just said. And with 1 minute, and you got a silver nugget. Good. With 1 minute left, go west. It will be pretty fast also to mine there. And you still got a lot. Mine all that stuff. Go for the stone blocks. No time to lose. Gravel. Go, 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 go. You have to go inside. Inside the block. Charge attack. Spin. Run. Crouch. Charge attack. Actually, no, you have a doggy avatar. Who has watched Snoop Dogg's program? He had a program which was Planet Wildlife. It was something by Blizzard. It was, oh my god, that was so freaking funny. Let me try to Google that. YouTube that. It was Snoop Dogg Wildlife. If you have not watched that, you have to watch it. Snoop Dogg Wildlife commentary. Animal Planet. That's the thing. Search for Snoop Dogg Animal Planet on YouTube, and you're gonna get something really funny, which is Snoop Dogg narrating some sort of National Geographic documentary when he narrates wildlife. Yes, Ashley, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I laughed so hard with those. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, do a favor to yourself and put on YouTube Snoop Dogg wildlife, narrate wildlife, and just watch those videos. Those are just too good to be missed. I'm happy that he's a person that is chill to do that type of stuff. Okay, we're out. It was a bad run. Okay, 45 minutes, round number 1 is done. So let's meet at the pause area. Go west. Please go at the entrance. You can find a way to enter the vault from the entrance, and let's all meet there. You have to get out of those, go to next, to the last one, or just teleport somewhere. Yeah, you can exit the Asker menu by clicking there. Go to the entrance. You're going to see the pauser area. And let's get into there. Yeah, go ahead. If you go to the entrance area. No, the entrance of the map. I mean, like the Misty Mountain entrance. Yeah, that's right. Can you see? Yeah, there. Just click on the travel, pause here. Perfect. Okay, now we are in the right spot. Also, you can sell everything except the gold ores, by the way. Now, what I'm going to do is take everyone's name that has participated and get you into the wheel of names. Did this get on the screen? No. Now it did. Perfect. Wheel. Is this aligned? Okay, let's get into the Yokes on you stream. Get, oh God. Why it doesn't let me select the wheel? Come on. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So who we have participating? We have the Bitfox. We have the Yokes on you. Go West. Who else is here? Wapax. And Touchley, did you make it on this round? No, not on this round, unfortunately. You'll get on the next one. Okay, we've got 4 participants. Who will be the lucky miner and how much will he or she win? Let's shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good luck. Round number 1. Winner is... Slowing down, Go West, the Yoke, the Bitfox, Wapax, Go West, the Yoke, the Bitfox, Wapax, Go West. And it's stopping. The Yoke is on you. And I think that it will be the winner. Without any doubt. The Yoke is on you. Congratulations. You just got yourself to become the lucky miner. And I guess I selected right. How much did you have? Yeah, hell yeah. Wait. Before you sell, I need to know how much you have. And I think the 5 gold ores. Okay, you can sell them now. Who has gotten 5 or more gold ores? Let's check real fast. We've got Go West over here. 1. Go West did not make the cut this time. Let's check now the Bitfox. And the Bitfox got 5. The Bitfox made it just very, very closely. Bitfox. Now, Touchley just got in. Nice, it's working. Perfect. And Wapax, what about you? 7. So Wapax also made the cut. How much did they win? You're asking. I don't know. Let's make the math. Coming back here, the Yokesh should have already sold everything. So he has 1,600 masters. How much sand is that? Tuk, 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 tuk. That is 3,000 sand. That would be a lot. That is 3.2 sand. GG. Means everyone else got 0. What? Did I make the calculation right? No. My apologies. You got 1.6. That was a lot. Like, how come? That's not that many monsters to be that much. And the Bitfox and Wapax won 0.4 cent. That makes much more sense. Congratulations. Round number 2 starting now. You can reset your scores and let's go again. Now we have Touchley also participating. Oh, you also got that set. I got that set as well. Did it load faster now? And we just lost the Yoki. Hey, Sparky Snickle, how you doing? Welcome in. Way faster. Perfect. So, for example, Wicked, usually you were not able to play because these was very slow on your end. Did you try already to get in? Does it work faster as well? In the meantime, I want you to invite you all, and I want to ask a favor from you as well, which is to give it a retweet here. Today at 9 p.m. UTC, there's going to be the SanFam Cafe. Posting the link here. Here it is. Please do give it a share so more SanFam know about it. We're going to have the escape room artist, crafter, Sparky Snickle, myself in the SanFam Cafe. We're going to talk about the Build a Challenge review. So it's good that today we have the AMA. We can talk, we can get deeper into that, which will be the good, the bad, and the ugly. Where's my game at? How player acquisition and player retention work? I can't read. Can I play your game? How much design affect gameplay? Been lurking out and about this morning. Lurk all you want, Sparky. So please do me a favor. Go there, do a retweet there for the SanFam Cafe that it's happening today. It's important that we get the word out there. Also, there is a form you can fill in so you can apply for the proof of participation, which is a SanFam Cafe mug that will be designed, or that has been designed by Sparky Snickle. So you don't want to miss that on free NFT, a free coffee mug. There's going to be quite a collection. 2 are already out, 3rd getting minted. We're waiting for the one designed by Panda Pops. And yeah, it's coming out quite a coffee mug collection. And I hope that you guys collect them all. So please do me a favor and yeah, get that a retweet on that. That will be a lot appreciated for all the SanFam and everyone that wants to know more about this. Please do so. And how we doing? We've got I didn't take notes on what time did we start it. But I think we can tell. Okay, let me check the timer for everyone. Go West. You ready? Oh no, it did not restart the experience. By the way, anyone knows what's about K? I've not seen K in a long time, and I just reminded just by looking Go West armor. Everyone restarted the game quite sometimes, I see. So we're going to do like this. We're going to do 10 more minutes until the Sandbox AMA starts, and then we're going to rate it. So no one misses anything. I have a call in 10 minutes. Well, go West. That's it. 10 minutes. It's what we have. 10 minutes. It's all we have. K-City is resting. It's always good to take a rest. And I hope that he comes back energized. Yes, Go West gold ores. It's what we're looking for. Also, do not forget, take a screenshot and post it on Twitter for that challenge. The top 3 scores will win 10 cents. And I'm going to get the opportunity also to talk about the other challenges we have going on. So every day we have these Lucky Miner session. You can win sand prizes from it. Every week there's a new resource that you can mine and post a screenshot. The 3 highest scores win 10 sand as well. Right now there's other challenge, which is to find diamonds. White diamond, blue diamond, and red diamond. First come, first serve. All you got to do is post a screenshot in the comment and you will win that prize. Last but not least, we have the season leaderboard, which will be ending on next Monday. So it's getting really close to the end of the season. So make sure you also post that screenshot to be eligible to participate in the leaderboard in the season. Top 70% gets into the ranked prizes. So it's actually pretty easy to win. Getting in the top, it's not like, oh, only top 10% will win. Only top 40%, no, top 70%. It's like out of 10, 7 people win. So potentially that could be you. And it's an easy way to get some extra sand. If you look on top of that, there's daily stuff, there's weekly stuff, there's then challenges that get posted every now and then, and there's seasons. There's at least 4 different ways to win sand prizes in the Pickaxe Master just by playing the game. Follow our socials, enter our Discord server. You don't want to miss any of that action. So we got about, what, 7 minutes left? 7 minutes left. That will be okay. Let me take a look on how everyone is performing. We've got Go West right here with his own set. The Go West mech. 1 silver nugget. And the rest is 4 gold ores. Yeah, that's the way to go. Go West. Hell yeah. Let's go for the Bitfox. Also with 4 gold ores, but he still has 2000 pickaxe health. That is so not optimal. You can get... almost got it back. We'll get that fixed. It's not optimal at all. Let's go over Touchley. He's got 4 gold ores and also 1600 pickaxe health left. That is bullish. Oh, but this is so unfortunate. You cannot mine those anymore. Haha. Haha. You'd have to do a charge attack on top of it. Yeah, we have to fix that stuff. How Wapax is doing. This is just a whole new level, a whole new degree of difficulty right here. God damn it. And yeah, everyone getting around to the 3C, everyone falling in the lava. How much gold you got? I see you still have 1300. And 1 gold ore only. So leading the pack, we have the Bitfox and Go West so far. I do not recall how much Touchley had. 4. Everyone tied up. Everyone tied up, meaning that there's still plenty of chances. Oh, 5, taking the lead. Let's go. 6, Touchley taking the lead. How's the Bitfox doing? Should be on the next panel. 1 more gravel. 7. So they're tied up. Go West. I see you're also in the vault. How much did you end with? 4. So these are getting really good scores. 4. We've got 7 here. And Touchley has... Oh, you got an emerald. Nice. But how many time left? 4 minutes. It's really bad with the blocks bug. Yes, the Bitfox. I agree with you, and we will get it fixed as soon as possible. It's one of those unforeseen stuff that happen whenever we have a new Game Maker update. Fortunately, this time, it did not break to the point that it was unplayable. So, I would say it's an improvement. It's not that bad. But it's, yeah, it's part of the process. Like, we don't get upset or anything. We just understand it's part of the process. There's new stuff, new code, new things coming in. We could not expect that everything would work exactly as it would before. Try to do a charge attack from there. Oh no, it did not work. Can you get to another one? Yeah, enjoy the little things. Exactly. It could have been worse. How do you break those? With a charged attack, but it's that bug. Whenever they're respawning, it's not a bug. It's just we did not fix those so that they're also without collisions. Let's say we've put an extra step in difficulty. Let me check. What packs? Oh, you can also use the hammer as well. You can bring the hammer to break those. Yeah, that will definitely help you. Oh no, not being able to load the screen anymore. Okay, so we're gonna, how to break those. I think that the Sandbox will start streaming very, very soon. So I guess that we will go to the vault and we will call it a day for round number 2. Okay, everyone is back. Perfect. We've got Go West is ready. The Bitfox is ready. We're missing only Touchly and Wapax. So what we're going to do, Touchly, Wapax, let's go to the vault as we need to end to raid the Sandbox. We don't want to miss any part of it. So I can see you're also there. Wapax, what about you? Let's go to the vault, Wapax. It's done. Gold ore out of a stone block. GG. How many did you got? Was that a 4? Wapax, it's over. Go to the vault. That is a Madball avatar, right? Yeah, it is. Perfect. So let's get you all here. Go West. The Yoke not participating, so we're going to trade the Yoke for Touchly. And we're going to shuffle. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go again. Rolling in. And the winner will be for round number 2. I would do more, but we have an AMA to attend, all of us. Wapax, Touchly, Go West, the Bitfox. And stopping the wheel, it's over Wapax, but will he win? No, he went to Touchly. Congratulations. GG. Look at that. The lucky miner is Touchly. He was having a really good run, but is he actually the one with most? He still had 2,000 Pickaxe self. That could have been Masters, for sure. 6. Not bad. So what I'm going to ask you to do, Touchly, is to trade everything for Masters. And I'm going to check everyone if they were able to beat your I-score. I believe the Bitfox did. I think he had 7. 8, actually. So guaranteed for the Bitfox. Go West. Did you get 6? I hope you did. And next to it, oh, 4. Not this time. And Wapax, last but not least, did he make the cut? That's 1 silver. I see gold nuggets. I see gold ores. I see a lot of stuff there. 3 gold ores. No, also did not make the cut. So it's only Touchly and the Bitfox. Congratulations to both of you. Let's see how much Masters did you get. So got to look into Touchly's screen again. And that was very unfortunate. 1,920. Which equals to 1 sand dot 92. 1 sand dot 92. And the Bitfox wins 0.48. Congratulations, all of you. That was some really good mining sessions. On next week, we're going to have a new format for the mining sessions. We're just mixing up things. And we're going to have a new format, and I think you're going to like it a lot. So stay tuned for that. You traded that emerald to keep going, but couldn't break any more blocks. Dang, that sucks. A lot, I have to say. Now, the Sandbox is already live. I want to thank all of you for joining in, for tuning. I hope that you had some good time. I hope that you had fun. So I'll see you all tomorrow. We'll be rating the Sandbox game right now. And thank you so much for being here once again, for all your support, for all your love, and we will keep going on this project together. We have prepared also some great news for you. We're gonna get the marketing material, so it makes an impact whenever these news are launched, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy it a lot. Let's all meet up at the Sandbox game, see what they have to say regarding the AMA, and tomorrow we will be back at the same hour. Have a great day. Don't forget the SandFam Cafe today at 9 p.m. UTC. Please do share that tweet, and I hope to see you also there with the escape room artists, Sparky Snickle and Crafter. See you soon. Have a great day. Cheers for now.